Okay, so after a sketchy taxi ride, we have made it to our Airbnb. It's a little weird.
Just got to Giant Ibis bus station because we are leaving this place.
Oh, we never felt better about it.
Yeah, if you saw our last video, you will see why we are so happy about leaving here today. But yeah, we've got a 6.5-hour bus ride. Hopefully it's not as horrific as the last one we took, where we went off-road and then nearly went into a ditch. But yeah, we are super excited to get out of this place and back to the capital city for later on today.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, very happy about it.
Yeah, very happy.
We're off to Phnom Penh. Yes. Oh, it feels like a relief.
And it's almost an empty bus.
Yeah, we've got loads of it. All this baby bus. Okay, so halfway through our trip. Yeah, shouldn't be too long now, maybe about 3 hours. Oh, coffee. Thank you very much. Thank you. Would you know?
Yes,
thank you. So yeah, got a coffee and a baguette. That's all there is here. It's a dedicated little spot for the bus stop. But yeah, probably about 3 hours I reckon, and we'll be there. It's pretty nice actually. The driver's actually decent this time. He's not crazy. So yeah, it is what it is. It's a bus journey, 6 hours long. We're near there.
And on the plus side, the coffee.
Coffee and a baguette, both are decent.
And a baguette, pretty good.
Okay.
And I've gone with an iced coffee. Yeah, this stop is way nicer than some of the other bus stops we stopped at. Which one of them, I'm pretty sure that's where I got food poisoning. This looks way better, so yeah, fingers crossed it'll be alright. And we're back to the madness. Okay, so we are off the bus. We are back in Phnom Penh. It literally feels like deja vu being back at this bus station. I think this is the third time we've been at this bus station. We've just dealt with the onslaught of tuk-tuk drivers, and we're trying to work out how to get a grab to our Airbnb. You got one booked?
Yeah, I think he's here already.
He's here already?
2AG. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so after a sketchy taxi ride, we have made it to our Airbnb. It's a little weird. It's like 2 adjoining rooms, but so it's massive, but there's like nothing really in it. I'll show you around. So, hang on. So this is the bedroom. So we've got the bed behind us, but there's no bedding. We have a random like leather armchair and this dining table in the bedroom, which is just a bit strange.
It's all a bit odd.
It is all a bit odd. Like, do you wanna show us around?
Show you around, it's not much to see.
So we have 2 bathrooms. This is the first one.
First one, which has been just cleaned, and they kind of just drench it.
They basically chuck water at the floor. I think that's how they clean it. Yeah, a little weird.
There's that one. Come through into a completely separate apartment. This is 406, this is 405. But the adjoining door's open. And you have loads of room.
You could hold like a class in here.
Coming into this bit, this is your kitchen, I guess you'd call it. The whole thing.
With this odd seat, bench.
Got a big old fridge and freezer. Got a huge washing machine. I think we could fit you in there.
I think I need to go in there.
Yeah, so you got that huge washing machine.
But we have to figure it out. We have to figure this out. At least it's in English.
Now we've got this kitchen area, and what you see is what you get. So we've got 2 little plates, 2 like
bowls made for 2-year-olds.
One big, oh no, there's 2 little plates in there. Yeah, and there's 2 forks and 1 sharp knife and some spoons.
And a pan.
And a pan.
And we've got to try and work out, what we can actually make with those things. It's like a game. Like, what can you make with 1 pan and 0 utensils?
Well, I've asked the host about the bedding, because this aircon unit we haven't got a controller for either, so this room's boiling.
This room is like a sauna.
Yeah, I asked him about a spatula too, or something to make eggs with, and if he's got a toaster. There's no way to make toast or anything.
Yeah, it's very weird. And then we have this second bathroom, which is like highly unnecessary, really.
Well, this is a separate apartment, I guess.
Yeah, so this is the second bathroom. So you've got this huge other bathroom again.
It doesn't look used. It looks like it's this has just been brand new made and no one's used it.
Yeah. So basically we have this huge space. Like, I don't know if you can get the full sense of it here.
Massive.
But like, it isn't, I feel like I could do laps in this room. But, I mean, it's just empty. I don't know, it's just weird. Very weird. But if we can get this AC working up here.
It doesn't look like it's even powered.
Then that'll be a win. But it has to be.
There's no like, power button or anything.
Well, we'll have to get that sorted out because it is 100 degrees in here. But we have this giant TV, and as long as we get bedding.
The bed's huge.
Yeah, the bed's pretty massive. And yeah. It's actually weird having this much space, isn't it?
It is. I just want a mop to wipe off the floor so you can actually go in there. It's so wet. I don't know why they do that. It's just so. I'm pretty sure this is our bedding.
What, this here?
I reckon all of this is our bedding. Yeah, I reckon they've just washed it this morning, and that's what they've left us with. I reckon that is, I guarantee it.
It doesn't even look clean though.
No, that's like a duvet, well, mattress with that.
But yeah, and then we have this view out here of whatever's going on down there.
To be fair, it's a pretty good view of the city. Like for Phnom Penh, I don't think you're going to get. This is the view you get of Phnom Penh.
Yeah, and you've got some high rise there. But there is actually quite a few like restaurants and coffee shops and things that we did pass, like
cool.
Within walking distance. So that's good. So as long as we can get this figured out,
And this aircon's good.
then it'll all be good. But the reason we are here is basically we were in, the lighting's probably absolutely terrible in here. Hang on. Yeah, so the reason we are here is because, well, we came from Sihanoukville and we are going to Vietnam in a few days. And we're getting the bus, which I don't know how that's going to go.
That'll be right.
But we're getting the bus with Giant Ibis again. So we need to be here in a few days' time. So we thought we'd come here, get an Airbnb, have a bit more space, be able to cook. And yeah, and then just kind of do anything that we missed last time in Phnom Penh, and then jump on the bus to Vietnam. So yeah, that's why we're here. And for now, I think we're going to try and sort out this whole situation and then get something to eat. And yeah.
Yeah, overall the place is cool. It's just a few little things we've got to understand what's going on.
Yeah.
That's all. Yeah.
But yeah, so we will see you when we go and get some food. Okay, so we are off out again now because we're going to go to the shop and actually buy some food and some supplies for the next 3 days, which feels really weird because we haven't done that yet. Like, we haven't had a kitchen, so we've been eating out, so we haven't bought anything. So yeah, we're going to go to the supermarket and get some bits. Weird. Oh, a lot of things.
Seriously, this place is expensive. Like, I picked up a pack of Oreos for 80 cents, and that is like the cheapest thing here. That is crazy. A packet of biscuits is like $3. Unbelievable. I think a packet of bacon was $4. So we're sticking to eggs. Just breakfast food, because it's cheaper to eat out. $3.80? Rather not.
Pot of Ben and Jerry's is $10 down to $16. So we just come out of the supermarket. We got some supplies for the next few days, and now we're trying to get a grab bag. It is a bit mad in front of the supermarket. There's some blaring out some music, like seriously, like rave level volume, and yeah, we're just going to try and get back now and actually shower in a proper shower that works.
With water pressure and hot, hopefully.
Hopefully. We haven't tested it yet, but we're assuming that it actually works and it's hot. So did you have a fun taxi ride?
It was a bundle of joy, wasn't it? Now, he was a bit grumpy, and they're all a bit dodgy driving around. Let's be fair.
But like, you just get in the car and you're like, hello, and nothing. Like, not a word, not a glance, deathly silence. Anyway, we are back now and we're going to have a little bite to eat, freshen up, and then later on this evening I think we're going to go out and have some Thai food, which may sound a little strange, but we're really missing it and we could just really do with a yummy curry.
And it's like Thai prices, yeah. Just excuse these holes next to Lorna.
Yeah, I don't know what's happened here.
And all the decor's a bit math, but it's good. Nice little restaurant. Okay, so I've got my trusty pad Thai, which I haven't had in ages. It comes with these like crispy things.
Almost like tortillas.
Yeah, but there's no like normal noodles. It's almost like that's the replacement.
Definitely a different twist.
Really strange. Yeah.
And then I've gone for the curry, which is this big old bowl. And it looks good. Ooh, we're blurry.
There we go.
And we're back. So we just got back. We don't film much at night on the street just because of the whole safety thing.
Yeah, not in Phnom Penh.
Yeah, not here. So that's why it might be a bit of a jump too. But yeah, so we come back from, what was the restaurant called? DMAP.
DMAP.
Yeah. It was good, but yeah, I don't know. The last two, well, twice I've had tom yum soup, and that actually wasn't what I ordered, but I think that's what I got this time. But anyway, that's besides the point. But twice I've ordered tom yum soup, and I've got like, the chicken is just, I don't know what it is. Like, it's not chicken breast.
It's almost like the scraps.
It looks like the scraps, yeah. So
I think that might be the way that it is. It's like a traditional dish. It's like
maybe
a stew or something, but
yeah, it's kind of how you use up your chicken bits. or I don't know. But yeah, I'm a bit funny with things like that, so I'm not a huge fan. But how was your pad thai?
Again, it was okay. it was quite nice, but yeah, the food is definitely not being as good as Thailand. I'm sorry, but it's true.
Yeah, I mean, I think I had quite high expectations for that restaurant, and it didn't really live up to it. I mean, it was good, it was very tasty, the soup, but it just wasn't quite that good. But anyway, for now we are going to have a quick call with my family, and then we are going to go to bed because we are knackered.
Yes, the 6-hour, 7-hour bus journey always takes it out of you more than you think.
Yeah, for sure. So yeah, we will see you tomorrow, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye bye.